Hi guys, longest time no video. Longest time no Abacha video. Actually, I don't think I've ever made an Abacha video on here. Or anyways, today we're going to be making Abacha and I just got back from work and I bought a few things for this Abacha. I would have liked this video to be a make Abacha on a budget. But to be honest, I don't know if this budget is budgeting. But let's unpack what we have and I will state the amount. I got them. So I had them Webila butter from the East for me. This one, I just brought out some from the one I had them buy for me. I even think this is a lot, but I've been craving Abacha for so long, so I don't mind. Then this Ukpaka was for 600 naira. I don't know if it's worth it to be honest. I just really needed it. Then this was part of the things I had them buy and we bill. My cousin said this went for 250. So like this is 250, this is 600, so around 850. Now there's a lady in my area and she sells really good palm oil. So she said this one is from the east, so I'm hoping it's like really, really nice. This was for 2K and I don't know. When we taste it, we'll know if it is worth the price. I couldn't get them to reveal the oil I bought because this logistics company said they don't reveal. So I remembered last minute I needed just more onion, so I just got that of 100 naira. And here we have crayfish of 200. I wanted to get blended one, but it had finished. Then this is blended stockfish, so I'm hoping for some flavor from this. This this Maggie I got because they didn't have Maggie crayfish, so I just got two of these to try. I hope it's good. And then I'm using this pepper for the flavor because this is very flavorful. That's all I have to say. So I'm going to be using this. And then this fish was for 2,000 naira. I was thinking between buying like frozen titles and then cooking it and all of that. And I just figured I should just buy this. Even if I want to heat it up, I can just pan heat it or something. So I think total of what we have here is, of course, we're not using all the oil, but let's say 2K, 26, 2850, 2950. This was 100 naira. Then 31. This was 200. 32, 34. Actually, I got two of this, so it's like 3450. Is the total of what we have here. Then, if you're now adding the palm oil, that will make it 5450. But we can't add the palm oil because I'm going to use it for a lot of other meals. This is not a meal on a budget. But yeah, let's get right into it. So the first thing we're going to do is to soak this in hot water. I really don't want water that is very, very hot. So I'm going to put some hot water. I'm also going to put some cold water. Then in this one, I'm also going to put some hot water because for some reason it seems dry. I don't like how it's looking. So I'm just going to set this aside. I think I'm going to put in some white vinegar. I'll allow this soak for about 5 minutes, then I'll wash it off again with some more hot water. The next thing I'll do is to debone this. Okay. I genuinely do not like the back of this fish, so I'm actually going to take that out. So back to this Ukpaka again, I'm going to put a bit more vinegar. I don't know why, I just feel like cleaning it so much. Then a bit here as well. Then some hot water. So I'm using hot water because I wanted to pan fry this, but I don't think I'll be doing that. So I just want very hot water to touch it. Basically, I'm cleaning it. Then some more hot water here. To soften it a bit if you can, because for some reason it's a bit stronger than normal. So I want to chop up some peppers and onions for um I'm really terrible at making tiny cuts, but it is too big. So I'm just going to chop up this remaining one for the main abacha. So the good thing about abacha is that you can actually do the frying method, or you can just make it the regular way. So for today I'll be making it the regular way. I think um this thing for the next abacha recipe I'll fry it. Or should I just fry this one? So now we are ready to make this abacha. This is one of the easiest meals to make. So far you have all your ingredients. Also forgot to mention at the beginning of this video that I actually don't have any leaf like otas because I didn't see. So first things first, put in some palm oil. I love that this palm oil is thick because normally there's something called ungo which is used to thicken this, but I personally do not like it. So happy that's not here. So after this, after palm oil, I put in the ogiri. So then I'm going to put in the maggi. I actually like to put in maggi on time just so that I won't end up chewing on maggi later on. So some salt. People are going to bear with me. They've just taken the lights. I don't know why I'm whispering. After this, I'm going to put in the abacha itself. So right on top of that, I want to put in my pepper and crayfish. So here I also have the Ukpaka I soaked and some shredded fish. The onions I cut earlier. Also putting in this blended stockfish. Now we mix. You guys, this is what it looks like. I just tasted it and it tastes so good. But I feel like heating it up, so I'm going to put it on fire for like 2 minutes and then take it out. God, it tastes so good. I don't think this light is coming on anytime soon. Um, so our abacha is ready. Onion, the fish. I'm not even sure where to place them, but I hope it looks good this way. It's better off camera. It's because it's dark. Let me try to take a picture. Anyways, I hope you'll be trying this recipe. It's really good. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.